Okay, we're gonna attempt to stuff me in the suitcase.
We are attempting to fit Mayumi in this suitcase. Okay. We don't know if this is gonna work, but we hope it does. Alright.
No! Crap, a quarter's in here!
We're gonna take the quarter out.
Okay.
Mark one.
Ready?
Ready?
Was that Christmas on the box?
Yeah, you were, but I don't think that's gonna work. Like, turn to...
Turn like this?
Hold, yeah, kinda. Like,
Okay.
like in fetal position.
Like that?
But turn to the side. Yeah, and like scrunch your legs up all the way to your stomach.
It didn't work the first time we did
No,
that.
but you did it the wrong way. Okay, now put your booty back here.
Crystal, my head's not gonna fit.
You're not supposed to fit your head in there. Okay, hold on. Put this down. Does it got you? I'm not. Okay. No, it's not. Okay. Okay.
Crystal.
Where's your foot?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Like that. And like, do it like this. And then like that.
I can't. No, we're doing it the other way.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so, like this?
Yeah, and then, both. Okay. Alright.
Like this? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah, but it can only see your head, so I'm just gonna like, here, if I can put it like right here. It's not gonna work. Okay, I'll just hold it. Alright.
Okay. Ow, my foot! Chopper jack.
I'm just gonna do it right here.
Okay, I have to put this one. This is hard.
Yes, it is. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I got you. Bend down. Alright, we got this.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Well, it's not closed.
No, it's closing. Okay. This is her head. We're trying not to get her hair. Oh, is that a bug? If that bug is in there with you, it's not my fault.
Oh my God! No! No!
Okay, good. Oh no, it's not there. It's not there. Oh, it's a mosquito too. You have a whole bunch of mosquito
Okay,
bites.
I don't think this is gonna work.
You don't think it's gonna work? You want to try?
Okay. We give up. Okay, how do I get out? Crystal.
This is funny.
I can't get out. I think the mosquito went on my nose.
What? No, it didn't.
I did.
No, it You retard head, why don't you just unzip it?
Shut up. Anyway, our mission was not completed.
Mission failed.
Okay, bye everybody.
Deuces.